Now, the next thing is dictionaries. The exercise we're about to do is very simple. We'll define a function in the Python code, use that function, and then create a similar function using the C code. Then we know how to pass object down to a C function and also return, create object and return it from a C function. I'm going to create a function. The name of the function is zipit. This function takes up two arguments. The first argument is a list of the keys, and the second argument is the list of values. So it will create a dictionary. Then to each key, it will associate uh, the matching value. It's like that. We have key one, key two, key three, and we have also the array of value. So we have val one, value two, and value three. Now the return dictionary, the variable I'm going to call it zipped. This is a dictionary for, then let's initialize the dictionary. So for key in keys, we say we set the key of the dictionary to the value. No, sorry, we have to look through the indexes. So that will be for index in range length keys. So we look through the indexes, and after that we get the key. The key will be keys index, and the value of that key associated to the key is values index. Then now we have the dictionary. We can set the index. No, we can set the key value from the dictionary, and that's it. Then return the zipped dictionary. We return the dictionary created from the list of keys and value. So that was pretty simple. We can even make it more simpler. So we can just take that, put the keys, we can just make the code a bit less longer, like that. And that is a bit less longer. Now we're going to call this zipit function. Then we're going to display the dictionary. I'm going to create another function called print dictionary. Print dict. Then we pass in the dictionary. So we have to look through the dictionary and display the keys and the value. For key values in dictionary items. So this will return a list of um, tuples, key pairs, key value pairs. Then I'm going to use the print function to display the key and then we display the value. We call the former. So then we have key value. Great. So this is the function we're going to use. So I'm going to call the function zipit. Zipped is equal to zipit. We pass in the list of keys. The first key will be name, age, height. And the list of value would be crocodile, age 45 years, and height will be, let's say, 15. Okay. Then call, we can loop through, we can use this loop to display the zipped. So print dict, we pass in the zipped value, then this will display the dictionary. Now I'm going to execute this function. We don't need to import the custom lib yet, since we're only writing some Python code. Let's run this code, and here it is. So we call the zipit function, which takes up two arguments. The first argument is the list of keys, and the second argument is the list of values. And the zipit will create a dictionary. Then for each key, it will set a value on that dictionary, then return the dictionary. Then after, we then call the printDict function to display the dictionary. Now, the next part will be on how to create the same function or implement the same function in C code and import it into our Python code.